So here's a quick video to show you how to access your spare tire in a 2015 Honda Odyssey. If I believe correctly, this should also work for 2011 through 2017 Honda Odysseys. So in these, they're not in the trunk or underneath the car like most vans and SUVs would be. Instead, right here you'd have a rubber mat. You got a pin here and a pin over there, and then you would push both seats all the way forward. And what you do is, if you take it after you take the rubber mat out, you'll lift this carpet up, and then you'll see the hatch right here. You lift that hatch up as well, and then right here would be where your spare tire would be. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but yeah. So this is where the spare tire is going to be on a Honda Odyssey 2015, and it should also again work for 2011 through a 2017. So hopefully this helps y'all. So here's a quick video to show you how to access your spare tire and a